Hi friends, now I will talk about how to integrate Google Fonts. I type Google Fonts into Google. Then we went to website that appears. I click it. So here I can choose Google Font, any Google Font I want. For example, let's choose Roboto or let's choose OpenSense. I can do anything or I can search it. You can search your desired font. For example, Quicksand. Quicksand. Okay. Quicksand appears. So how can I get it? I will get font. I click get font tab. And then I will get embed code. I will use import statement here. So that's why I choose import. So let's take this import code. I copy these and then I come input.css. I paste it. I import Roboto font. Okay, so let's use it. How can I use it? I have two methods. The first one, I can define a class, a utility class name. For example, I come here. For doing this, I will use theme keyword. And then I open my curly braces. And then let's define a class name. My class name can be font body, my font, something like that you can remember. Okay. So after that, what I need to do, I need to use this font. But we take Montserrat. We didn't take Roboto, but Roboto, we didn't take Quicksand. Yes. Yes, Quicksand included, sorry. So I copy these. Quicksand included. Font family, Roboto, and Quicksand. Quicksand included. And then I come here, I paste it. I say font family, I delete font family, font body, Quicksand, sans serif. Okay. So let's use font body. I come here, I copy font size, and then I paste it. I say 7, I rename it 7 font family. Okay. And then I open this. I will use here, I define class font body. You see it appears. If I use it, I run my code, I right click, I open with leave server. So I right click again. You see font body gives font family Quicksand. I change my font. If I click here, you see the difference. Before it was like that, but I added font body utility class and it becomes like that. Okay. The second method, if I want to affect HTML tags, I can use another method. I open input.css. I will use base layer if I want to affect any HTML tags. Okay, I come here, I say add layer, and then I open base layer. I want to affect all HTML, so that's why I define HTML. And then I say font family. I copy Quicksand, and I paste it. So I put into comment this theme line. Okay. So let's refresh. You see I have no font body here. Let's delete font body. I delete this. So let's refresh it. But my font family is Quicksand. How can I understand? You see in base layer I define HTML font family Quicksand. If I click here, you see it was like that. But I apply base layer HTML and it becomes like that. I change its font family. I hope you understand it. Super.